Hi everyone, my name's Madeline and I work at the New Brighton Library. Today we're going to be doing the foaming dragon experiment. So if you grabbed the supplies from the library, you should have a bottle, probably a little bit smaller than this one, halfway full of vinegar, a little container of baking soda, some foam, and some googly eyes. The only other thing that you'll need is a little bit of dish soap, and if you want, you can add food coloring to make it a little bit more colorful. So first, to get started, you're going to want to take your foam and draw out some little designs for a tail and some arms and legs. So first, we'll just cut those out, and you can make it however you want and with whatever color foam that you want. Alright, so once you have everything cut out, you should have a tail and 2 legs and 2 little arms. So you're going to want to put them on to your bottle. You can use tape or glue or however you want to attach it is fine. And you can add other things if you want to. You could add stickers, or you could color on it with some markers. You can just be creative with it. Alright, so we've got tail. Add the legs now. Here's what it looks like once it has its tail and its little arms and legs on. So the next step is to add the googly eyes. So again, you can use tape or glue or whatever you'd like to attach them. Alright, here is the completed dragon. I know he looks a little silly, but I think it's pretty cute. So the next step is that you want to take the cap off of your bottle, and this is when you want to add just a few drops of dish soap, because this is going to help make the foam. Okay. And then if you want to add food coloring, you can add some of that now too. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cap back on and just kind of swirl it around a little bit to get it all mixed around. This would also help mix up your color as well. Alright. So once that's mixed around, you're ready to do the experiment. Now it can be a little bit messy, so I would suggest you either do it on a tray or a cookie sheet, or I think I'm going to take it outside and do it there, so to minimize the mess. So you're going to take your dragon and your little cup of baking soda, and we'll go do our experiment. Alright, as you can see, our dragon has made it outside, and I've taken the cap off. You can add the baking soda now. You see the foam rising up, and then there it goes. So the foam you see here is caused by the reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. This makes a carbon dioxide gas, which reacts with the soap, and it forms all these bubbles that you see. Now I added a lot of baking soda to mine, so you don't have to add this much if you don't want this giant mess. But there you go, this is our foaming dragon experiment. And the cool thing is that you can reuse your dragon if you want and fill it back up with vinegar and add baking soda again, and you can do the whole thing all over again. I hope everyone had fun with their foaming dragon, and I hope for you all to join me again next time for another fun science experiment. Keep checking the New Brighton Library Facebook and Instagram pages to stay up to date on all of the fun activities we have going on, and to see details about what our next science experiment will be. Thank you.